Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 7 GMT. Italy's producer price index will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. Australia's current account balance at 1:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The dollar hit a 5-week low as investors looked ahead to a raft of US labour market data this week that could affect expectations for the Federal Reserve's monetary easing path. Traders were also assessing Friday's US inflation figures. Cryptocurrency investment products attracted renewed inflows last week, offsetting the prior week's $1.4 billion outflows. Crypto exchange-traded products logged $2.48 billion in inflows last week, data from CoinShares showed. Tesla's sales rout in some European markets extended to an 8th month in August, amid mounting competition from both Chinese EV rivals and traditional automakers, as well as a backlash against CEO Elon Musk's courting of far-right parties.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
After a 1.1% dip during the last session, the gold-dollar pair closed 0.8% in the green. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.